how to file a beneficial owner information report on the FinCEN website. Once you get there, you're going to click initial report. It's automatically going to populate today's date. You're going to read this information right here. After you read that, you're going to hit next. Then you're going to put your company name right there, additional DBA name. You're going to fill out the form, tax type, tax ID, county, jurisdiction, and then you just keep going down the line. I'm going to leave a full video somewhere in the description so you can learn more. Okay, beneficial owner information report. This section is very important. When you get to company applicants, check this box if the reporting company was created or registered before January 1st, 2024. Do not check this box if the reporting company was created or registered on or after January 1st, 2024. Reporting companies that check this box are not required to report any company applicants. Then you're going to proceed to part 3. It's part 3 of the beneficial owner information. As you can see, if the beneficial owner for the reporting company is a minor, you may check this box and complete part 3 with information about the parental guidance. And then, as you can see right there, number 35 is basically if it's a minor. So don't check this box if it's not a minor. So you're going to go to block 38 where you're going to put the individual's last name,